What's up, my peoples? So, I'm here with my friend Grant. Justin, what do you guys say to my peoples?
Don't smoke weed.
True words spoken like a true man. Grant, this isn't meth.
I never said it was. And I don't like meth. No drugs. I love meth.
I hate health class. I had it yesterday.
You say health, this is math.
I hate all classes
Like
except
math?
for band.
Like math?
It's dumb. It's the worst.
It's accelerated.
We're at Robotics Club. Want to see our robot? That's our robot. It's pretty beautiful. Yep. I'm holding in a fart right now.
What size are you?
Grant, what do you have to say to the people? He's a true man.
How many subscribers do you have? Is it real?
I have 2, I think.
Well,
I will get more
unsubscribe
people.
now. Unsubscribe now.
My people are lovers of me. Thank you for those 2 people that I will not be calling out unless you tell me I can, because I'll get sued of copyright or something, stalking. What do you say? What do you say? Okay, so this kid literally so after he was done smacking around a girl that I was sitting next to. Yeah. After he was done smacking her, he literally reported me on Instagram for no good reason. And I was like, Brett.
That's weird.
My mommy said that nobody likes my YouTube videos because I get off track, and I'm like, and she's like, Adam, you have to plan your videos, and I'm like, Mom, I don't plan my videos, I just make them happen.
So let me ask you a question. How come you guys only doing one event and then you're moving on?
Shut up, Grant.
Like you're not choosing any other.
Nobody told you to talk. I got a haircut, and 3 or 4 days later, it looks pretty beautiful. Right, people? Yesterday I tried fasting. It sucked.
This morning, saying, Mom,
My teeth look so white.
and she hasn't got it back from
I know I'm crazy, but yeah,
you don't have
we're at school. I'm gonna go ask people what they have to say about this. Come on, let's go, my peoples.
That was really bad. How do you close out of this?
Buddy, what do you have to say to my peoples
Oh, clear.
on YouTube?
Chicken. Yeah.
Sounds like a real man. Yep. Please do subscribe. Goodbye.